Wrapped up in bandages, feeling oh so grand. Mummification, an ancient Egyptian plan. Lying in a sarcophagus, waiting to be found. Preserved for eternity, buried under the ground. Wrapped up like a present, all snug and tight. Covered in linen from head to toe, day and night. Removing all the organs no longer needed. Heart, lungs and stomach carefully proceeded. Covered in natrons, all to dry and save. An embalming process to keep us away from the grave. Cannot picture us hold the organs with care, safeguarding the bits that once were there. Wrapped up like a present, all snug and tight. Covered in linen from head to toe,